I love that song. Wow, it's Wednesday. On the Hearts and Tarts collab channel. So this week's challenge was to make something. I'm going to show you exactly what you need for what I'm making. Hey! So, I'm going to be telling you the ingredients you're going to need to make our secret little recipe. Some kind of coffee. I'm using it in cup form, and it's Colombian, which gives it the best flavor. Lots of sugar, like this much. It's something to stick it together. It's kind of whatever you prefer to use. I prefer to use bread. It just gives it that perfect shape and form, and that really great texture. Food coloring to give it that really great blue shine. And then you're just going to need a towel to wrap it in. Put all of those ingredients onto your towel.
Hey yo, Sean, you Mr. Kingston. I'm feeling like you letting go.
Put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
I'm feeling like you letting go. I'm feeling like you letting go.
Young Money. OMG. Look what it just made. This herbal heat pad. Strap it to where it needs to be strapped. Just like that. Please, don't try this at home.